Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to channel.
I hope you guys are doing really great.
Great.
So today we are going to unbox a unique board game called the Memory Chess. This is unique in a lot of senses, but the most intriguing feature is that not only your kid but you also can play along with your kid, and it is, as the board's game says, it is for kids above 5 to adult. So I'll show you how it is being played, but before that we'll try and unbox it quickly. So it comes under this beautiful packing, and the price range is $4.99, but you can get this at a much lesser price from Amazon. So now we'll unbox this game. As you can see, it comes with a chessboard, a dice with 6 different colors on its 6 surfaces, 24 pegs. So we'll show you how this game is played. We will keep the chessboard. So in this game you're required to arrange these pegs randomly on this chessboard. Arna is very keen to help me with this. So now that all the 24 pegs are positioned on this chessboard, so what we need to do is we need to roll the dice, and whatever color comes up, we need to pick up a peg of the same color. Now initially it's difficult to know which color peg is situated where, but then as the game progresses, you'll have to remember which peg is where, and then when the color rolls out, you'll have to pick up the right color. So let's start. So my first color is green, so I'll try and find out where the green peg is. I picked this, but this is the wrong peg, this is red. But then for future references, I'll remember that this red peg is situated here. Now Arna rolls it and it's yellow. As you can see, it's yellow. Now Arna, pick up a peg. Now you can see Arna has picked up a green peg. So for future references, we have a red peg location and a green peg location. Again, I'll go ahead and roll a dice, and I have a green color. So I have just remembered where the green color is. Anna, do you remember which one is the green one? I think this is the green one. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. And here is the green peg. So Arna has remembered where the green peg is. So this 1 point is, I win this 1 point. Now Arna will roll the dice, and it's a black color. Now Arna, choose a black peg. No, this is a green one again. So accordingly, this game becomes very interesting when you play around 10 to 12 rounds. Then you come to know where is the different colors situated on the chessboard. So that's why it's called a memory chessboard game. Your entire family can play with your kids, and it's a very, very interesting game. It will help your kids to remember things. It will help your kids to memorize the location. It will help your kids to have a strategy about the game. You have seen, Anna loves playing this game with her friends. So if you like this video, then
subscribe and share.
Thank you for watching this video. See you guys soon. Thank you so much.